Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. Today we're going to talk about looms and loom construction and stringing a loom. So here at the Wandering Bull, we sell this loom is the Ojibwa loom. Comes in the bag, everything you need to put together the loom. And we also sell the Mighty Mini loom, and this is the Mighty Mini loom all set up. And this is it with a piece of beadwork on it. So we have the two looms that we offer here, and then also with those looms you can buy a beading kit. So it comes with this instructional book, some graph paper, comes with beads, thread, needles, wax, basically everything you need to do this setup on this kind of loom. So you have those two options, and they both, the Ojibwa loom and the Mighty Mini loom, come in that bead with that bead kit. So to get started, this is the Ojibwa loom with the 18-inch dowels, and the Mighty Mini has 12-inch dowels. So that's about the extent of the work you can do on that. So some people want to do a project that's longer than the dowel that's 18 inches. So you can string the loom all the way around. So you'd slide your beadwork over the end, the beadwork would come underneath, and then you can continue beading on the top surface of the loom to make your piece however long you need it. So here's a similar example. So if I wanted to increase, I needed to bead this direction. That would slide. And the same slide purpose would apply to the Mighty Mini loom as well. We use this for narrower projects where this is 6 inches long, so for a wider project. And we sell a lot of wampum bracelet kits, and in that kit comes lace for a 3-row bracelet. But I have this loom strung for a 5-row bracelet. And we do sell here at the Wandering Bull 1-row, 3-row, 5-row glass wampum bracelets and clay wampum bracelets. So I have an order for a wampum bracelet, and it is with white warp lace instead of that tan color. So I'm going to string this loom up for a 3-row wampum bracelet. I'm using 1/8 inch wide deerskin lace. We sell 25 yards of deerskin lace, which is like 1/8 of an inch thick, and then 10 yards of deerskin lace. These are continuous. So to start, I've tied a knot at the end of my lace. This is the top of my loom. I'm going to hold my knot underneath, wrap over, so I have 4 laces. It'll give me 3 spaces for the beads that I need to do. So I tied a knot on the beginning of my lace, and here's the end. Go through that loop, and then just tie a brief, quick knot to hold it in place while you do your project. So that loom would work for a wampum bracelet for 3 rows. So here I have a regular loom, that the Ojibwa loom, and I bought dowels at the hardware store that are 3/8 in diameter. The dowels are 36 inches long to save myself from sliding the beadwork around. So I have that 36 inch long. I tied to the screw eye at one side and the screw eye at the other end. So I'm complete with this project. So this sash was 2 rows wide. I needed 3 lace. So I'm going to take my deerskin lace. I'm going to tie all 3 together. So I have 1 knot. So I'm going to basically slide it around to the back side. I'm going to go over my screw eye. Pull that guy tight. Right here. And I'm going to go around the wood block at the end. So a quick way to lace that loom. So I'm going to use the same process as I did with stringing the 36-inch loom with the dowels. I'm going to go up to, this is what we normally make the bracelets with. So I'm going to, same thing, put my knot that I have the 3 tied together, pull that tight. So now I could bead this portion, loosen my ties, and theoretically slide my work around. So then I would be back at this surface to add more beadwork. So hopefully this is helpful in determining the length of the dowels. You can certainly use the shorter loom by spinning that work around. And we have done several other videos, and you can find them on the YouTube channel as well as the website, on doing loom work, whether it's with the seed beads. In this case, these are 10-0 seed beads, or with the wampum bracelet. Thanks for watching. WanderingBull.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call at 1-800-430-2855. Thanks for watching.